Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial for Monday morning, January 13th. We're looking at the iShares 20-year Treasury. On the daily chart, which is in front of you, we can see it took out the 50-day moving average, but let's move over to my proprietary VR chart. Now here we're looking at the weekly chart, and if you ever saw an uncanny correlation between a signal and performance, this is certainly it. There are a couple aberrations, but just in recent weeks, a Leibovit negative VR here was formed in the bonds back on May 10th, and we suffered a nice decline or profited if we were on the short side. Positive VR came in the bonds, as you can see here in mid-September. We traded up for several weeks. A negative VR came here in November 1st, and we had a nice downdraft for several weeks. Then the last 4 weeks, we've generated 2 Leibovit positive VRs. So we're also looking at stochastic, which is inching higher. And as I just showed you on the daily chart, we took out the 50. So whether this is the beginning of a big move or a technical pop, if the market, that is the stock market, experiences a correction, which I still think is possible, bonds should do better despite the call for higher interest rates. If you're looking at the 50-week moving average, it's way up here at 110.40, and it's pretty close to the 200-week, which is at 108.83. Meanwhile, we're sitting around the 104.50 area, so we do have a little bit of room here. So I would be long the bonds, thinking we are going to trade higher, and if we can buy a little pullback on Monday or Tuesday, I certainly would encourage you to do that. Have a pleasant day. We'll speak to you on the next recording.